kalong shisha kasngi ka bakrau nakabanta ki paiba nong sosnong ka Riboy district khamtam eru ya kanong po baru kalong kom kawei na ki history hapo Riboy district hakaba kasin banikong kane ka district layo bandon ya kalat jing sumar kom ka CT scan machine ya ka balawan raru da ka Bethany Outreach Hospital hapo nongpo ka Bethany Outreach Hospital ka balayang banai ka jing sakri paiba hakaliang kilat jing sumar pang baper nakabanta ki paiba nong sosnong jongane ka district kabala ai jing kerkhuru bat jementoy sekat dei ki paiba nong sosnong bat hakane ka kanti ka bamantapat ki bor penyat jongane ka hospital kilala snon ban penbit penbiapat saya ka machine CT scan ban punsuk susu ye ki paiba kane ka dong bakathan ya kane ka CT scan machine ka badiru kasin ka bankong bandon haki hospital hapo Riboy district lawan on peli paiba ya ka da uba hek menteri ka tanak ka ko jakya jong ka chala Meghalaya kum kongsan haka jing dan laru uba Meryl Bonds MLA kanongpo constituency uba Victor Rani MDC ke Jerang constituency u Dr John L Sailo Rentatiang director ke Bethany Outreach Hospital u Reverend MS Chadap lemat kwe ki doktor ki staff nurse bat kinong tre jong ke Bethany Hospital.
This is the occasion where for the first time I'm able to be with the hospital management. It's my privilege, it's my honor to present today on this inaugural education program for the CT scan unit. And we are very fortunate that Sir L.Hec, Honorable Health Minister, is able to be here to inaugurate this scan user. And I hope Bethany Hospital has been serving Riboy district and Nongpo town in particular for the past few years. As a legislator of this area, let me confess today that Bethany Hospital has a great role to play to cater so many patients of this area. Hospital are government hospital, dispensaries, PHCs, CHCs, but there are equipment which is not available. But here in Bethany Hospital, we could have it. And it is a great help to the people of Riboy, to the people of Nongpo, to the people of nearby town of this Nongpo town. And I hope that this hospital will render its service in future also. Not only this, but we want to extend it more beds, private and then general ward. So all these issues we want that the hospital management to look into, and I hope that you will, through your service, your family, the Bethany Hospital as a family, we hope that you could give the good services to this area as a whole. And at the same time, in the field of health and technology, science and technology has going to that extent that we have seen that through the dedication of Honorable Health Minister, that the long pending issues of trauma hospital in Nongpo, which is there besides the civil hospital, it is on the pipeline, it's about to be complete on the equipment, and I hope within few days that also can be inaugurated for the benefit of the people, especially the district being the gateway of our state. National Highway 6 is here. So many accidents occur every now and then. By having the trauma center there also, it is a great help. And at the same time, the Bethany Hospital, the Bethany Hospital Outreach, which is here, has been a great help.
As I said, categorically said by the Dr. John Sino, for installations of the CT scans here. Of course, if it is installed in Guwahati and Shillong city, it doesn't make any much difference. But in Nongkong, where we don't have a single CT scans, nor a better good X-ray where we can cater for the need of the people, I really congratulate to the dedications given by the Bethany Outreach. Before entering here, and before I took my seats, I was listening to one beautiful song. Thank you, O Lord. Lord, thank you. It's a beautiful song which is very appropriate to this program. Very, very appropriate to this program. And also I'm very happy today when I heard Dr. John Sino had said that this will be included in MHIS, which will be immensely benefit for the people of this area. Not only the area, those who are passing by from this area, the tourists also coming from different parts of the India, who is passing by this road, particularly for the local here and also the people of our states. If they are coming here, for us people of Meghalaya, because our MHI scheme, it is a universal coverage. It covered every citizen of Meghalaya. Everybody who are the citizens of Meghalaya are benefit from this MHI scheme. They will be getting free of cost of the treatment which is included in the CT scan here, which is installed in the Bethany Outreach Bethany Hospital. Particularly if you see for the poor people coming from all walks of life. Many of the rural areas here, poor people who can't have money to spend for their treatment, forget it for the CT scan, forget it for any other, the investigations, which we have to pay a lot of money. But government of Meghalaya has given this facilities. How to, the out-of-pocket expenses. We don't need to pay anything. They can just go walk into the CT scan hospital, do the test, investigation and walk out. So this is a very, very immense benefits to the people of our states.